Hello, friends. I hope you're all doing well. Happy October to all of you. I am super pumped for Halloween and I am very excited to do a Halloween themed tutorial today. So I'm going to be making a jack-o'-lantern figurine decoration. So I'll just go over the supplies here. I have this little pumpkin. I got this from Dollarama. It actually came in this little net sack thing and it was $2. This little doll here I got from the secondhand store. You want a doll that you can easily remove the head and limbs. I know that sounds morbid, but it's very important because you also need to be able to put them back on. I will be using some paint brushes, an X-Acto knife, a pencil. I have here some acrylic paints as well as this glitter craft paint. So that's it for these supplies. Let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so here are my jack-o'-lantern babies. As you can see, I made a second one because I loved that first one so much. In terms of the way they look, I love them. I think they're so cute and I'm excited to display them out in my living room. Having said that, the paint doesn't really seem to want to stick onto the doll bodies. I don't know if you guys saw, but when I was trying to put the limbs back on, some of the paint did kind of peel and scratch off. I just went back in with more paint and kind of did a little bit of a touch-up. I keep meaning to buy spray sealant, but I keep forgetting, so I need to remember to buy some. And when I do, I'm going to spray these down, and hopefully that will help protect them a little bit better. But yeah, I just think they're so adorable. I think I want to try and do like a bigger jack-o'-lantern baby with a bigger doll. But yeah, we'll see. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care and bye.